Hey friends, I'm Coach Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. This is a short, completely standing off the floor core workout, and it's geared towards people who are going through perimenopause or who are postmenopausal. They don't have to get down to the floor. We're not gonna work up too much of a sweat. Put your hands behind your head, bring one knee up towards the opposite elbow, and now straight leg towards the opposite elbow. Other side, knee up and straight leg up. I'm already feeling my core muscles engage as I lift my leg up towards my elbow, and I'm trying to give my torso a little bit of a twist as I do that lift. Don't worry if you're not getting your leg quite as high as mine. I'm a dancer, I'm flexible, it's not a big deal, do what you can. Let's do one more on the other side. Keep those hands up at your head and we tilt over to the side, back to the middle, tilt to the side, back to the middle. I know for a lot of people, it's pretty challenging to get up and down off the floor. Also, sometimes you're just in a spot where you don't want to get down to the ground. This workout is great for both situations. We get to work out our abdominal muscles. We don't have to get up and down. We're gonna do a few more seconds here. I'm trying to lean over as far as I can, and then I'm using those oblique muscles to pull me back up into that middle position. Okay, go ahead and relax. Hands can go on your head again. If you want an added challenge, I'm gonna put my hands on my hips, and I'm going to keep my lower body in one place as I start to bring my upper body around in a circle. Now, if you are leaning far back and you're trying to keep your balance, you are definitely using these core muscles to pull you back. And then if you go to the side, obliques, forward, now you're using your back muscles. We're getting everything in today in a short amount of time. Now, I've done this standing workout because it's just one more way that workouts and exercise are accessible to more people, in more places, in more bodies. Let's do one more circle. And now I want you to do some pelvic tucks and untucks. So I tuck my tailbone under and then I extend it. Tuck my tailbone under and extend. I'm doing this using my lower abdominal muscles to pull my pelvis underneath. My butt muscles are relaxed right now, so we're getting a little lower abdominal workout as we do this. And this might also feel really great if you've got lower back or hip pain. I want to do a few more of these. This might be really challenging for you. I've noticed a lot of people have sticky vertebrae that restricts their movement here. That's okay, you do what you can. Let's repeat everything in 3, 2, 1. Hands on your head, bring that knee up and leg up. Knee and leg. That's the tempo that I want. Try to keep up with me. And I am rounding my spine a little bit to help get some rectus abdominis activation to get those legs up. So it's not just my hip flexors that are doing the work here. One more on this second side. Plant your feet, we tip, come back to the middle. Tip over, come back to the middle. And I'm finding as I warm up, I can get a little further over to the side. And this is great for some spinal mobility, not just our core. We're moving all those vertebrae around in different directions. We love it. Last one, hands on your hips. Start to circle your torso around and reverse. Your circles do not have to be as big as mine. They might be littler. Your spine might not be as flexible as mine. That's okay. As long as you're leaning back to the point where you feel your trunk muscles working to keep you from tipping over, that's what we want. One more, and then let's go back into those pelvic tucks to finish. All right, we tuck under and release into an extension. Tuck under, release into an extension. If it helps you to imagine doing a cat-cow, that might help you to get this motion down, like maybe you pretend you're on the floor while you're doing this. Let's do 2 more tucks. Last one. Beautiful. If you liked this workout, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. I've got more workouts on there that are standing, that are 5 minutes or around that amount of time, that are for perimenopausal people. I'm Natalie Carey. Thank you for being excellent to yourself today.